Alright fellas, today we're making some nana bread.
This has got to go because of this. Perfect. Now I look like the drummer in a metal band that's not doing very well. And honestly, I don't understand why more people don't do this. I'd say I got like 3 hours before my girlfriend comes home and tells me I gotta shave it. Too bad I don't care. Set the oven, 350. Recipe calls for half a stick of butter, but it needs to be melted, so 2. That went much better than I thought it would. Next we've got a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That was a teaspoon. And then 3 nanners. Put them in a dang bowl. Bust out of there. Really good. And you just mash them up. Now that this is all mixed up, there's a really important part of the recipe. Alright? To mix the flour and the sugar and the baking soda all separately and then stir them together. That way you can avoid something like over-mixing in your bread. But I've only got one bowl, so I'm just putting it all in here. Don't you think it says something about our society? At the store, this was the smallest thing of flour I could find, but this was the smallest thing of sugar I could find. Also, it didn't look very hard. 2 cups. When measuring flour, it is very important to make sure that you level off the top. This way you get exactly the amount of flour that you want. Oh, whoops, don't care. What is this, home ec? I'm making nana bread. Now we got 1 cup of sugar. Sugar. I'm sorry, I just did that.
You know, I eat a lot of butter.
Need about a tablespoon of baking soda. Fun fact about this baking soda, we keep it in the fridge because it keeps stuff from getting wet, I think. Half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I messed it up again. And then, again, we're back to mixing. Having some sort of a creative or physical outlet can really do wonders for your mental health. And it really can help bring you back to your old self if you're not feeling like what you used to, you know? Anyone needs to hear that? It's alright. Make nana bread. It's gonna be good. Yeah, that probably wasn't the best idea. I was gonna put it all... Yeah, there. I was gonna put it all in a muffin tin. I didn't have enough muffin liners, and I don't have any, like, spray stuff, and I don't really feel like using the butter. Color me lazy, but I'm just gonna pour the rest of it in this dirty old tray I got, and I'm gonna see what comes out. Better break for 45 to 50 minutes, and we'll come check on her then. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. We're gonna pop her open and see how she looks. Oh yeah, bud.